First date farting. No, Vani.
I'm saying let's.
I will not let you do this to yourself. And we are back, baby. Welcome back to season 4 of Tinder Swipe Ride with your beauty bestie Swiss Beauty, driven by MG Motor India. मैं हूँ कुशा कपिला, आपकी होस्ट और डेजिग्नेटेड ड्राइवर. एंड इन केस अगर आप भूल गए हो, ये वो शो है जहाँ पर मैं और एक सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट एक पूकी को उसकी टिंडर डेट पे ड्रॉप करते हैं. यस, यू आर राइट, इट्स अ गेडी विद द लेडीज. Joining us today is a gorgeous, stunning actress who is as sweet as her Vani Kapoor. Hello.
What's up? I could have hugged you. Oh, are we shimming?
Yeah, we are shimming.
Okay.
We have this North Indian energy यहाँ पर, क्योंकि मैंने वानी से पहले ही पूछ लिया था कि आप कहाँ से हैं. So she said we are Punjabi gals, so we are going to call this North Indian energy.
Yo.
Yeah?
Yeah. Flying
Yeah.
kisses to you.
Flying kisses. आप खेल में हमारी इस गाड़ी में आके बैठ ही गई.
खेल ही गई मैं आपको.
खेल में इस वानी's upcoming film, जिसके बारे में वानी हमें सब बताने वाली है. वानी, क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे खेल में?
खेल रहे हैं सब. एक
nice.
दूसरे की feelings के साथ में I'm joking.
Oh my God, that's everyone's lives, you know?
So see, it's very relatable actually,
Yeah.
because it's about friends, 7 of them in a group, sitting, talking, fighting, hating on each other, supporting each other, having each other's back. There's romance, there's drama, there's comedy, there's pretty much all elements that we
Yeah.
live with and deal
Yeah.
with in
Yeah.
our lives.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
जाके देखिए खेल में इन अ थिएटर नियर यू. और अब हम यहाँ की फिल्म शुरू करते हैं, जहाँ पर हम मिलने वाले हैं आज अपनी पूकी से, जिसको उसकी डेट पे हम ड्रॉप करने वाले हैं. Do you want to know, Vani, who she is?
I do want to know.
Her name is Panthi Shah.
Panthi
She's
Shah.
23 years old.
Oh, okay.
She's an ex-marketing manager at a beauty company and an aspiring model.
Oh, lovely.
और पंथी का रिलेशनशिप गोल बहुत स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है, बिल्कुल आपके जैसे. Till figuring it out.
Okay. Like all of us, figuring
Yeah.
it out.
Is that your relationship goal also right now?
Yeah, I guess. I mean, I'm single right now, so I'm.
Vani Kapoor is single. News flash. Okay, then इसके बारे में हम आगे और बहुत बात करने वाले
You're gonna make
हैं.
me open up a lot, aren't you?
Yeah, we're gonna find that answer in this show. But उससे पहले मैं आपको पंथी का बायो बताऊं.
Please.
Looking for pasta, puppies, and potential partners in crime.
Pasta, puppies, and potential partner in crime. She sounds like our kind of person. No,
ऐसे
Kusha?
alliteration है, मजा आया मुझे.
Yeah, let's call her.
Yeah, let's call her. पर उससे पहले पिक्चर्स तो देख
अच्छा,
लें,
अच्छा,
ताकि आपको पता लग जाए कौन है.
Yeah.
This is Panthi looking red hot in pinks.
Spicy.
This is Panthi in rose tinted filter.
Cute.
And this is a cutie with a cutie.
Aw, adorable.
Aw.
Cute.
अब एक काम करते हैं, पंथी को बुला लेते हैं.
Yeah, let's please call
Let's. पंथी आ गई.
her. Oh, there she.
She's so cute. What's up, Panthi?
Oh my God, it's
छोड़
Tommy.
दो, छोड़ दो umbrella को. Oh, she's gotten the umbrella.
Okay, come in.
Come in. Okay, that's okay. Come here.
Come in.
फटाफट हमने अपनी लड़की को अंदर कर लिया बारिश से बचाते हुए.
Oh God.
Can you believe this? Vani,
Let me fix your
That is so
hair.
sweet.
That's
I let this
sweet.
girlhood happen.
I didn't expect this, but oh my God, Vani
You know
Kapoor
what?
is fixing my hair.
Quick cut.
That is very nice.
God.
चलिए अब इस बारिश को थोड़ा सा ब्रेव करते हुए पंथी को उसकी डेट पे ड्रॉप करते हैं. बारिश है, माहौल है, रोमांस है,
Dedication है.
डेडिकेशन है, और हमारे पास एक लड़का भी है. You know, होता नहीं है, सबको नहीं मिलता है लड़का, you know, डेट पे जाने
मुझे
के
मिल
लिए.
गया इतनी बरसात में.
इतनी बरसात में. और पंथी, टुडे वानी और मेरा एक ही एम है कि आपको इस डेट पर हम छोड़े ही छोड़े.
Absolutely.
So why don't you tell us about this date?
Yeah.
Who you're meeting? What's happening? I'm very excited.
A lot is happening. So his name is Yash.
Yeah.
And he is a graphic designer.
Oh, cool.
He is also as adventurous as I am, and I am someone who's spontaneous, who loves, like going on like unplanned trips. Like that's me, and that's exactly like when we started talking and all, and it turned out to be that that's him as well.
Oh, that's sweet.
So that's something that attracted me the most.
But पंथी, बायो क्या थी? पहला हुक तो बायो होता है ना, मुझ बायो बताओ.
He was like, if you are into healthy flirting, I am into you.
Oh,
I was like,
That's smooth.
yeah.
That's smooth.
I like that.
And
Yeah.
I was, game instantly. I'm like, I'm all about healthy flirting, so like, why not give it a shot?
Vani, what's your
flattery.
healthy flirting move though?
I have zero moves. I think I need somebody else to impress me and to make a move on me so I can just ease into it.
Okay, we are the same people. Thank you very much.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Very awkward when it comes to flirting.
I'm Chandler Bing.
You're Chandler.
When it comes to like, you know how he has sweaty armpits
You are
after meeting a
actually
girl?
Miss Chandler Bong.
Yeah. To be precise.
Yeah.
Chandler. Oh, I
That's
can't even pronounce
me.
it. Vani, what will be your bio?
I'm actually very excited to know.
If you get my cycle, then you'll get my cute.
That's actually really cute.
Not bad, huh?
Vani's got game. She just doesn't like to show off that she has game, which I
Maybe
like.
that's my game.
Yeah, her
I
game
have-
is saying she doesn't have a game, and I am in for that. Yes. Where are we meeting, Mr. Yash?
Just to give you context, I am not someone who does like the cliche standard coffee kind of dates at a cafe. So he happened to plan a pottery date for me, date, and he
lovely.
is apparently going to make something special for me. So
Oh, cool.
I love that. I love.
Smooth
I see that
movement.
arm reaching out from the side and helping you make that pot, girl. I like that for you.
full, I'm going to have my
Fingers
Bollywood moment.
intertwining, moments happening. और हम ना वहाँ पर स्पीकर लेकर आ जाएंगे और गाने चला देंगे. आप बैकग्राउंड
We'll
म्यूजिक का
just set
बिल्कुल
the
भी
mood
चिंता
for
ना
you
करो.
guys.
हम भी आ रहे
That's what I was
हैं
worried about. I was like, someone I need for background music, and oh, Kushan, Vani,
Kushan,
I've
you
got
singing?
y'all.
I am single.
Are you singing for the background score? What are we jumping at?
You know, I yes, it's yes to both. I am singing and I am single. Okay, a little birdie has told me that you have been on a lot of dates, especially in the last 1 year. So I want to understand how many dates you've been on. Okay, I'll take the first guess, Panthi. The first guess is 25 or 25. I think 25 is a good number.
You're halfway there.
So a century, half
You've
a century.
been to 50 days. You've been on
Yeah,
50
guys, I've been on 50
50
dates.
Tinder dates. Okay, I'll have to. I'm sorry, I'm taking my hand off the wheel. I've really slowed down the car.
This girl has a lot of experience. I think we should just sit with her and like understand the pros and the
Bro,
cons and the do's and the
I
don'ts.
salute you, girl. Like,
How cool is
are
that?
you even doing this?
Please give
tell
us insight.
So these 50 dates have not been in a year. So it was in 6 months I've been on 50 dates.
in 6 months.
Because I also have a backstory behind this. So I actually do have a friend. She recently got married and she got married to a person she met on Tinder. So they've been dating for like
Yeah,
5
my
years.
best friend also
They've been
found somebody on a
together.
dating app and got married.
What are you
person he
saying?
met.
Yeah, this is my
So,
only
okay.
hope and I'm not letting it go.
6 महीने आप 50 डेट्स पे गई.
Yeah.
बाकी 6 महीने आप क्या कर रही थी?
So the other 6 months I was actually seeing this guy and
Where'd you meet him?
on Tinder.
You met him on
yeah,
the app?
I met
okay.
him on the app. So
Sweet.
I met him and then we got along and then we actually started and we ended up dating and all of that. So we dated for a good 6
What
months.
was that date like?
We went for a long drive and we went stargazing.
That is so beautiful.
That
Masterclass.
was beautiful.
I think with the right person, just about
Yeah.
the simplest things in life can become so beautiful.
Yeah.
बहुत खूबसूरत. देखिए 2 तरह के तारे दिखा सकते हैं आपको लड़के. एक जो इन्होंने देखे, एक जो उसके बाद 50 लड़कों ने इन्हें दिखाए.
That's exactly.
एंड कोई अगर बिग जेस्चर्स करे वानी, लाइक पहली डेट पे दे डू समथिंग
See,
मैसिव.
pehli date pe, it's a bit questionable because I'll be like, I mean, I don't know. See, it depends. Person to person, situation to situation. I'm not looking for pantomimes, but it could be those small gestures, just the fact that someone's offered to pull the chair for you. Those are good enough. Like,
I
it's just
agree.
the thought behind, hey, I've got you. Like, you know, I'll take care of it.
I love that.
So
You
I
know,
think-
jokes और gestures का same science है. Land करना चाहिए.
Land करना चाहिए. That's true.
बड़ा हो छोटा हो, gesture मतलब अगर अच्छी honest thought से आ रहा है और land करना चाहिए.
True that.
आज मेरे पास पता है दोनों है
हाँ.
इस गाड़ी में आपके पास जोक से इन्होंने जेस्चर्स कर दिए मेरे बाल फिक्स करके and I'm like oh my god
Girls are all we got.
yeah
But you know, I want to ask you, the Tinder expert, the dating expert, because I feel like I want to take a lot of tips from you. You know, there are 2 ways things can go when you've been on so many dates. One is you get really jaded and you're like, you know, I can't find someone. It's just, this is so exhausting. This is so demotivating. I'm not liking this. And I have my friends who are in their 30s who feel this.
yeah
But I feel like you still sit with the sense of hope the sense of finding someone after 50 dates, and you don't look at it as a process that has exhausted you.
It has actually helped me build my self-esteem a lot. Like me going on so many dates, after a point, like even though I was not finding whom I was looking for, I was okay because I was meeting like different people from like different cities around the world and everything, and I was like getting to know so many perspectives because I was very underconfident, I was very insecure earlier back in the day. But now if I had to go on a date, if it's my first date, I'm not nervous, I have zero insecurities, I'm confident. So it's just like helped me in a way, which is why that, like, to answer your question, which is why that thought of it never came to my mind that, you know, I'm not finding that guy.
Yeah, it is therapizing for you,
Yeah.
almost this process, because
Exactly.
you're getting to know yourself more than anything else.
Exactly.
You know, Vani, there is something I need to ask you also here. You know, she uses dating almost as a way to find herself, and it's a therapizing process for her. You're a famous person. Do you think you can date as freely as you would want?
People need to get to know you, but for that they need to invest that time in you.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I feel like people these days lack patience. They
Yeah.
lack, you know, to get to know somebody well enough and deep
वो तो
enough
है.
because their attention span is so limited.
Yeah.
They want to bounce from one A to the B to the C.
Absolutely. मुझे लगता है कि dating
counts for
में
me.
ये conversations ना पहले हो सकती हैं where there is a little bit of expectation management.
Yeah.
मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि dating एकदम जब चालू होने वाली होती है ना, उससे पहले एक ना presentation रखने का है. हाँ, एक बार
the do's and the
pro
don'ts
and
in the
cons होना
meeting.
चाहिए.
Tick
एक थोड़ा expectation management का chart बने
Yeah.
और जैसे एक little SWOT analysis हो जाए कि समझ आ जाए कि हाँ मुझे पसंद है. You know, I'd like to have my own voice, but you know, this softness you bring out of me, I like that also. मैं दोनों की fan हूँ. तो वो balance अगर मिल जाए ना, ऐसे तड़कता भड़कता हुआ
will
मसाला
find-
मार के.
I think you will adjust with the right person. I feel like with there are times when I'm okay to let go of some things or okay to work on it eventually if there are the
हम
ticks
सब
are
मिलकर
checked.
ढूंढ रहे हैं ये लड़का आपके लिए. मुझे आपका पूरा समझ आ गया है. I will always be on the lookout
Please
now.
do.
मुझे समझ आ गया कि
All
वानी
my
का
other
पूरा
friends are
लड़का चाहिए.
hopeless. I have hopes from you now. For you and myself.
We are now hopeful
So
romantic.
Kusha,
ma'am.
fine too. One
Yes.
for you, one for me.
It is hopeful romantic. मैं बिल्कुल सही चल रही हूँ
I'm
अभी.
also on a lookout.
But Panti, what is the effort you put in? Especially, you know, with like, you know, we're big on makeup. Like,
Yeah,
all
yeah,
of us like put in the
absolutely.
effort to dress ourselves up.
Absolutely.
Try out that new liner, try out the new gloss. Do you wear like a full face of makeup or no makeup? You know, all those things that we love and like.
Yeah. So it depends on what kind of a date I'm going for. Like if it's a proper like a candlelight dinner or something. I would
Candlelight
love
dinner is
to-
first category, second category.
Fancy.
like a pottery date that I'm going for
Pottery
today.
date.
So that's when I would do like a no makeup look, keep it light.
Which is like today,
Which is,
like
yeah,
very
like
apt.
exactly.
Yeah, very apt.
So and I'm sure you all can also relate that makeup brings out that confidence in you, like that hidden confidence. Like you're just dressed well, you wear heels and you put on makeup and all of that. You're just a different person. Like you feel that from within.
Yeah, and I feel it's a form of self-expression.
Yes,
So you could be crying a river from the inside,
Yeah.
but like look,
पर वो रोने वाला ग्लो वानी मैं क्या बताऊँ.
Rone ka glow.
That post-cry sesh glow, give it to me more.
absolutely.
You really
That's
want to
that. You know, one shouldn't really sweat their choices. One should only be into sweat-proof makeup.
Ah.
You know, I think, and
Good
that
one.
is going to be with your beauty bestie, Swiss Beauty, actually. But you know what? I was thinking that काफी टाइम हो गया है मुझे इंटरव्यू करते हुए, तो मैं देख लूं कि मैं आज कैसी लग रही हूँ. We have a little friend here who's going to tell us how I'm looking. Hello, MG.
I'm here.
You here? How am I looking today?
You look amazing.
Oh, stop it. I mean, कितना?
You really got a true friend, I must say.
You know, my MG Hector really does know me very well, and thank you for being my personal hype squad. MG Hector, love you.
MG's got it smooth.
Yeah, Swayamvar with Hector. Girls, this is a deeper question, okay? Swipe right is not only about frivolous stuff. It is much deeper. We go inward. We try to understand where you all are coming from, which I think a lot of the other girls can also resonate with. So my very important question to you is that what is your idea of love? for example, for me, the way I understand love is the way I understand my parents, and my parents are like really like they're each other's soulmates. And what's wonderful with them is that my mother was not to marry my father, by the way.
Oh my god, same. My mother was engaged to somebody else.
My mother was engaged to someone
And then
else.
she eloped with my father.
And then someone else figured out that my parents should be together.
Oh yeah, so same.
Oh
I
my
mean, their
God.
friends got together and they said, you know what, you guys are made for each other. And then, yeah,
What
my
are
dad
you
proposed and she married him.
What are you
Sounds
saying?
wild. They would
Common
never
here.
let me do
Listen,
this.
your idea of love is very Bollywood, I must say, because you've literally
My
watched.
mother's idea, not my idea.
Okay.
My mother's
Yeah.
more Bollywood than I am.
I want to ask both you girls this: that what kind of fictional men are you all into?
So it's like a mixture of Bunny and Aditya.
Funny.
Bunny,
Bunny
from
Ye
from
Jawani
Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
and also Aditya,
Aditya from Jab Bhi
an
Mein.
alcoholic guy who has commitment issues.
Oh, the other side of Aditya.
गाड़ी रुक
who's
गई है भाई, पीछे ट्रैफिक लग गया है, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा.
the other romantic side of Aditya, who is
Okay,
like
fair.
that soft guy, the mushy gushy guy. Yes,
Aditya
of
from Jab
Bunny.
Bhi Mein.
Yeah.
Okay.
That
Which
one.
Aditya did you think?
Okay,
She
okay,
th-
fine.
she
I
thought about
thought
the Aditya from
Roy
Ye
Kapoor's
Jawani.
character from
From
Ye Jawani
Ye
Hai
Jawani.
Diwani.
No,
So
no.
I was like, what? Vani, for you, fictional dream boy, we want names
I
now.
know it's going to sound very cliched, yeah, if I say Shah Rukh in the way he romances.
ये
not
शाहरुख
that,
खान
you know.
तो एक ही बने
He's
हैं.
just, I don't know what he's done to
romance.
us.
Yeah.
It's very wrong.
Listen, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan,
You have
what
messed
have
it
you
up
done
for
to
us.
What it is, this bar has been set too high.
And it's not only for the millennials, you know, even the Gen Zs.
Yes.
Like today, I've seen so many videos of people like recreating all those Shah Rukh Khan like iconic moments where he's like, you know, romanticizing everything, and then people are like, me and who?
You know,
Set that
that's
example.
the thing I've realized. लोग millennial और Gen Z में एक bridge ढूंढ रहे हैं. Bridge का नाम शाहरुख है. Shahrukh is the bridge. Shahrukh is the answer to world peace. Let me
Yes.
just tell you this, guys.
Girl peace for
He's
sure.
Absolutely, girl peace, world peace, any kind of peace. So
I
Shahrukh's
swear.
state of mind is what we need to be in to be able to bridge all gaps. Now, I'm thinking कि खेल खेल में हम थोड़ा सा खेल खेल लेते हैं actually.
Okay.
I have a game for you. It's called red flag और green flag. आपको situations देंगे जिसमें से आपको बताना है कि red flag क्या है और green flag क्या है.
Okay.
First one. Okay, so you've had a fantastic date. Everything has gone really well, but then he burps in the end.
I mean, I'd rather have him burp than choke.
Would you feel the same way about farting?
Yeah, fart is also important. Yeah, what if he is poor thing dealing with
No, yeah,
constipation?
farting
yeah.
is a-
But you
Listen,
can't help it sometimes.
You could have gone on the side and farted.
Yeah, that he
Yeah.
can.
First date farting. No,
No.
Vani,
I'm saying let's.
I will not
But then
let
you need-
you do this
But
to
you
yourself.
You need to give a context to. Is he doing it on purpose?
नहीं, farting में कोई context नहीं है.
Or is he? Or he just couldn't help himself?
I don't make the rules. Listen, there are no rules to this. The only rule is no, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's
Panthi,
Absolutely.
burping,
I am-
farting, both.
Burping, I mean, I agree to what Vani said. Like, I'd
Yeah,
rather
even I
let
just
him burp
burped.
than
You know,
choke.
like
Yeah,
literally
choke,
30 minutes ago, I burped, and sometimes burping is very like.
organic.
You're not
like, you
doing
just
it
have
voluntarily.
Yeah,
But
unintentionally.
farting
But
is
farting,
it's
I mean,
not
it's-
in control, okay?
Yeah, I'd rather have him use the men's.
Where has this
absolutely.
conversation gone to?
We are just. I'm picturing men now.
खेल खेल में हम कहाँ पहुँच गए? Anyway, आगे बढ़ते हैं. He's a great listener, but when he talks, he mansplains. I will not let you both answer this. It is a red flag from the three of us.
Okay.
Kusha said it.
What were you listening for? You were listening so that you could figure out what you will say when you will actually mansplain. We know the tactics. Anyway, खेल खेल में हम पहुंच गए हैं. आपकी pottery class आ चुकी है.
Wow, it's been a ride.
Congratulations,
Finally.
Panthi. आप अब पंखी बन के उड़ जाए. You get it? Now Panthi will be पंखी.
Yep.
But before you go, I have a little gift for you.
Oh my god.
पहले मैं दूंगी फिर वानी देगी. ठीक है?
You'll both have a gift for me. That's so
Mine
sweet.
is
ये
as
है-
grand as hers.
Swiss Beauty, आपकी beauty bestie.
Oh my
It's a
god.
beauty hamper for you because you know
Thank
I
you
know
so
that
much.
you're gonna go on more dates, you're gonna go find the one, and while you do that, we want you to look your best.
Thank you so much, Kusha, for
you.
this gift. It's
Thank you.
amazing.
Okay, mine ain't as grand as hers, but here's a planner for
Oh my God,
in
thank
case you
you
have more
so
dates to
much.
kind of look forward to, and then you can pen it down and write it down. Because
Yeah.
I'm such a I love writing things down.
आप कलम उठा के अपना कमल ढूंढें.
Let's be all optimistic.
Absolutely. I think now, without any further ado, I should not make the guy wait. I should just
Wait
head
तो नहीं
out.
करना चाहिए. I will help you with the seat belt.
Thank
Have
you
a blast.
so much. It was amazing. Thank
Bye,
you for
Panthi.
driving me. Thank you, Mani.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.
Have fun.
Bye. Oh my God, I have like so many things to carry now. But like, thank you once again.
Have fun.
Toodles.
Bye. Bye पंथी. जा पंथी जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. I hope पंथी को अपनी पोट्री में बहुत मजा आए. And where can I drop you, Miss वानी? कहाँ जा रही हैं आप?
I was screening.
Screening है आज.
Private screening.
Private screening है. Actually, I am also a very private person. तो मुझे लगता है मुझे screening पे चलना चाहिए आपके साथ.
Yeah, me and my red flags join us.
Absolutely. खेल खेल में
We are
हम और
all
फ्रेंड्स बन गए हैं और अब मैं स्क्रीनिंग पे चल रही हूँ तो खेल खेल में की स्क्रीनिंग पर चलते हैं. Miss
Fab
वानी के
idea.
साथ.
सीरियसली ये कर रहे हैं क्या?
कुछ है क्या फोन में?
Baby, डरा क्यों रहे हो मुझे?
नॉनसेंस करवा रहे हो आप? मुझे नहीं खेलना है सच का सामना.
मैं करवा रहा हूँ. मैं यहाँ का सरपंच हूँ.
बीवी तो आपकी है ना, रोको.
तूने अपनी बीवी को रोका. बेबी बेबी बेबी. रहता कैसा तू उसके साथ?